correlation here, and then also can see whether the correlation is significant or not significant. Then you click OK, right? Then you can see the correlation between the investment and CFP is 0.66595 is significant at 1%. You also can see the correlation between the investment and BAL, 0.85, right? Is significant at 1% as well. Then the correlation between CFP and BAL is significant at 1%. So it is just like the discrete statistic for you to complement your analysis before you do your something like the formal analysis, right? So you describe the statistic with a correlation. What actually there is no issue for you to have a very high multi-connectivity. Why? Because multi-connectivity is not an issue in the panel analysis. So there is but not too high, like near to 0.9 or something very strong, right? So there is the reason why people want to proceed to panel analysis, right? To get rid from this multi-connectivity when you deal with the time series analysis. You also can do some describe statistics to describe your data. For example, if you have a balanced sample, so there is no difference between the common and individual. If you have a balanced sample, because even though it's individual, it means individual refers to the individual series. So 200 right observation. If let's say this CFP you have a 190 only, then investment you have 200, then the individual sample will give you the different result as compared to the common sample. Because individual is reported individually. You cannot see any difference here because I have a balanced panel. So for example, if I go to the common sample, also common sample will just straight away take the balance one. Individual will report, even though it's unbalanced, they will report according to your individual series. So now I want to test for the correlation, right? So you can go to view and then go to the correlation test here. So once you go to correlation test, you can see there are three different. So we're going to this. Actually, we applying now is a panel correlation test, which proposed by the oh, shut up. Never mind. Overhead, right? Why we shut down my vault? Again. Go to view and then go to correlation test. If I click on the panel correlation, then you can see the test tag here. The test tag here, once you scroll down, you can have three different types of tests we're going to discuss today. The Petroni and Gao actually based on the angel and Granger approach. So the first one, Petroni. Then for this deterministic component, intercept and trade, or no intercept, no trade. So these are the test equation. Test equation. These are the three different test equations in the Petroni auxiliary regression. So for example, if I do not want to include, I want to test whether there's a correlation with no trade and no intercept. So I will click on this one. Then so variance calculations normally I will not check on it because it's a corrected for legal operator when you calculate the variance. Then for the lag length, because it's based on angel Granger base, right? So the automatic selection. So again, it's given me the very short sample size, so I will choose the SIC. So you can figure out what's the difference between the modified SIC and also the SIC already. So now,
why mind gives says attempted transported operation and I tried to run the configuration, but the eclipse doesn't work.
Is it now can work already? Right.
Yeah?
So it means that your eclipse version not working.
Okay. I don't know. Eclipse just get around the program.
Maybe you try to run again. For example, let me see if I can OK first. Yeah, so this is my result. stop.